Welcome to Digital Teaching. This video will show you how to download and use Screencast-O-matic. Screencast-O-matic is a screen recorder that you can use to record your whole screen or just a portion of your screen. These are the steps that we will follow to download, install, and to use the Screencast-O-matic. First, follow this link. And do not paste it in Google, paste it in the URL box at the top. If you paste it in here and you follow the link, you will see this button, download and install. Click on it and you will see that it's downloading. Once the file is downloaded, you can execute the file or open it, and then you can follow the prompts. Now, I will not be installing this file because I already have it, but just follow the prompts, and once you've installed it, you can open the file. Once you've downloaded the file, you can open it, and then this will pop up. Once you see that, click on Launch Free Recorder. Then you will see this. Here, you can select it if you want to record only your screen. This will record your face from your webcam, and this will record both. Your webcam picture will be in this corner. Note here that you only have 15 minutes to record your video. Make sure that the correct microphone is selected, and you can adjust other preferences if you want to. You can use this box to frame the portion that you want to record, and once you've done that, it will record only that portion of your screen, nothing else. And you are now ready to use Screencast-O-matic. Enjoy! And that's all. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe for more videos.